Good morning, 8th class students. So today I am going to take revision class 2 on linear equations in one variable. So after this class you may have the exam. Listen well and practice well linear equations in one variable chapter. So here is the first question in second revision class. Find the value of x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal x plus 3 by 4. In solution, here left side x plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 there. So here taking LCM of 6 comma 9 is nothing but 18. LCM of 6 comma 9 is nothing but 18. In 6 table, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18. So 18 is going 3 times. So it is 3 into x plus 5 minus in 9 table it is going 2 times. So 2 into x plus 1 is equal x plus 3 by 4. Now remove the brackets. 3 into x, 3x. Plus 3 5s are 15. Minus 2 into x, 2x. Plus into minus, minus 2 1s are 2. By 18 is equal x plus 3 by 4. 3x minus 2x, 1x. Plus 15 minus 2. Plus 13 by 18 is equal x plus 3 by 4. Now I am doing cross multiplication. So by the cross multiplication, 4 into x plus 13 is equal 18 into x plus 3. 4 into x, 4x. 13 4s are 52 is equal 18 into x, 18x. Plus 18 3s are 54. 18 3s are 54. Now I am taking like terms are one side. 4x plus 18x converted as minus 18x is equal 54 plus 52 it becomes minus 52. So 4x minus 18x minus 14x is equal 2. Now x is equal 2 by minus 14. 2 1s are 2 7s are. What is the value of x? X is nothing but minus 1 by 7. The value of x is nothing but minus 1 by 7. So here is another question in division class. John sold his watch for Rs 301. Solution. Selling price of that watch is equal to 301 rupees. So selling price of that watch is nothing but 301 rupees. And he lost percentage is equal to 14%. It is nothing but 14 into x by 100. So what is the last here? 14x by 100. Now you have to find what is the cost price of that watch. It means I don't know cost price of watch. So according to that, what is the formula? Selling price is equal cost price minus loss. Selling price is equal to cost price minus loss. So what is the selling price here? 301 is equal to cost price x minus loss is nothing but 14x by 100. 14x by 100. Here I am taking LCM. By taking the LCM, 301 is equal 301 is equal 100x minus 14x by 100. So after here, what is the LCM? 100 is the LCM. 100x minus 14x by 100. Now I am doing cross multiplication. By the cross multiplication, 301 into 100 is equal 100 minus 14x is nothing but 86x. So it is 301 into 100 by 86 is equal to x. Now calculation. 2 4s are 2 3s are 2 5s are 0. So 43 1s are 43 7s are. So x is equal to 350. It means cost price of that watch is equal 350 rupees. What is the cost price of that watch? 350 rupees. So here, another question in division class. Hema is 24 years older than her daughter. Hema is 24 years older than her daughter. Let present age of Damini is equal to x years. I am taking present age of Damini is x years. Then Hema's age. Hema's age. Hema is 24 years older than her daughter. So what is the Hema's age? Nothing but x plus 24. 6 years ago. For example, one person age is 24 years now. 6 years ago means 24 minus 6, it is nothing but 18 years. Ago means you have to subtract the year from the present age. 6 years ago. Damini age is equal to x minus 6. 6 years ago, Damini age x minus 6. And also Hema's age. What is the Hema's age here? X plus 24. It is x plus 24 minus 6. It is nothing but x plus 18. So 6 years ago, Damini age is nothing but x minus 6. And Hema's age is x plus 18. Here what is the relation? 6 years ago, Hema was twice as old as Damini. 6 years ago, Hema's age x plus 18 is twice to Damini's age. What is the Damini's age here? X minus 6. 6 years ago, Hema's age is twice to older than her daughter. X plus 18 is equal to 2 into x 2x. Minus 2 6 are 12. Now take like terms are answered. It means 18 minus 12 we can take as plus 12. Next to 2x minus x. 30 is equal to x. What is the meaning of the x? X is nothing but the age of Damini. So present age of Damini is nothing but 30 years and present age of Hema is nothing but 54 years. The perimeter of a volleyball court is 177 centimeters. Here what is the perimeter of the volleyball court? 177 centimeters. And the length is twice to width. For example, solution. Here one volleyball court. That volleyball court is in the shape of rectangle. and rectangular length and also breadth. Here length is twice to width. It means length. I am taking B as x centimeters. As per given, length is nothing but twice to breadth. So L is equal to how much? 2x centimeters. Then what is the given here? Perimeter of volleyball court is nothing but 177 centimeters. Perimeter of volleyball court is equal to 177 centimeters. So perimeter of volleyball court is nothing but perimeter of rectangle. What is the formula to find perimeter of rectangle? To have L plus P is equal to 177. To have what is the value of the length? Length is nothing but 2x. Plus x is equal to 177. So 2 into 3x is equal to 177. Then x is equal to 177 by 6. Now 3 2s are 6. 3 5s are 15. 16 17 remains 2 27. 3 9s are 27. It is nothing but 59 by 2. Once again 2 2s are 4. 1 remains 19. 2 9s are 18.5. So it is nothing but 29.5 centimeters. What is the x value? 29.5 centimeters. So from the breadth is nothing but 29.5 centimeters and length of 2x means 2 into 29.5 centimeters. It is nothing but 59 centimeters. So what are the dimensions of the volleyball court? Length is nothing but 59 centimeters and width is nothing but 29.5 centimeters. So these are the required dimensions of volleyball court. Here solve x by 2 minus 1 by 4 is equal x by 3 plus 1 by 2. So here I am taking LCM. What is the LCM here? 4 is the LCM. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So it is 2x minus 1 is equal. Here LCM 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 plus 2 3s are. Next I am doing cross multiplication. 6 into 2x minus 1 is equal 4 into 2x plus 3. 6 2s are 12x minus 6 1s are 6 is equal 4 2s are 8x plus 4 3s are 12. Now I am taking like terms are one side. 12x plus 8x becomes minus 8x is equal 12 plus 6. 12x minus 8x 4x is equal to 18. Then x is equal to 18 by 4. 2 1s are 2 9s are. What is the value of the x? X is nothing but 4.5.